Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your device runs the latest iOS because theme options and wallpapers change with updates. Once updated, open Settings and go directly to Display and Brightness or Wallpaper, depending on the look you want. You do this now so settings appear and adapt correctly. Tap Dark or Light to preview system-wide theme, or choose Wallpaper to set a custom background that defines your color mood. Make sure to pause and preview each option before applying it across apps. Once you've opened the relevant menu, switch appearance to dark or light and watch how the interface changes instantly. This affects many apps and system panels. If you picked wallpaper, tap Add New Wallpaper and select Dynamic, Still, or Live, preview motion and contrast before setting. Then refine the look by adjusting text size, bold text, and display zoom to keep readability and layout balanced. These steps ensure your aesthetic and usability preferences work together across home screen and apps. To finish, tap Set and choose whether the wallpaper or appearance applies to the lock screen, home screen, or both. This finalizes your theme choices. Once done, inspect several apps to confirm the dark or light appearance applied consistently. If changes don't appear, restart your iPhone to force the system to refresh. If problems continue, check per app appearance settings and accessibility options like Smart Invert. Addressing those fixes most inconsistencies and ensures the theme behaves as you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.